Hey y'all, it's your girl Scarlet Maze, and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I clean my lashes. I am always on a budget. I'll probably be on a budget even when I'm rich. So I don't like, spending for something that I can either do myself or reuse. So I have some lashes, and these are some regular Ardell lashes, nothing fancy. And I am putting them in a glass container that has some hot water and about 2 tablespoons of baking. And I'm actually not baking. I definitely meant dishwashing soap, y'all. Don't mind me. I had a thorough moment. So after soaking these bad boys for about 15 to 20 minutes, I am going to go in with my little spoolie brush. Is this a spoolie? I think so. Anyway, I am just going to comb through my lashes using my spoolie brush. As you can see here, it's quite easy. It's not hard. You just want to be really gentle, especially if you're using mink lashes. After I have brushed up my lashes, I'm going to go in with a tweezer, and I'm just going to get off the glue that is on the strip part of the lashes. You want to be really careful. You don't want to pull too hard to get any lashes up, and you don't want to bend the eyelash either. So just be really careful. Just go in, and it will take off all that gunk with the tweezer. So I have cleaned off all my lashes. This is how the outside of my bowl looks with all the glue and everything else. I'm gonna put my lashes back into the water for about 5 more minutes just to finish getting off any extra coats of mascara or glue that may be on them. After my lashes are out of the water, I am going to put them on a nice paper towel or a clean surface, and I'm going to go in with my spoolie brush and just go through each of the hairs. Now, I tend to go in with alcohol and a water solution just so I can disinfect and clean at the same time, because we don't want our lashes to have anything on them. So I was trying to show you guys how I clean them with the brush, but I didn't have my tripod. I was only using one hand to film and do it. I went off camera because it was not working. Okay, so I went over them one time, and the little black things are the little gunk that was in the lashes. I'm probably going to go in with the second time just to make sure I have gone through and I feel like it's been coated with enough alcohol and water. So here you guys have the semi-finished products. This is just how they look when they're clean. The next step is going to be shaping them, and I'm going to shape them on the same container that I got them on. Yeah, basically this is how they look when I went through the whole pack. The last row looked kind of funky. I'm probably going to take them out, but whatever. This is just how I did them, and I kind of brushed them on the container as well, just to fan them out a bit. And we have the final product, you guys. This is how they look once they're starting to dry a little bit. They still have the color, they still have a little bit of the fang to them. I'm gonna let them dry some more. I'm definitely gonna take out the last row because they look terrible. But those lashes were really used, so I kind of figured that would happen. I had to get in a close-up so you guys could see how the lashes looked, and just, you know, check me out, subscribe, like, you know, all the fun stuff. Have a good day, y'all.